So, this is pap, also known as ogi or akamu. It's a fermented cereal pudding and it's popular in Nigeria. It's typically made from maize, sorghum, guinea corn, or millet, and it's usually eaten for breakfast. How do you make your own pap? Do you make it on the stove with fire or do you make it off the stove without fire? I usually make mine on the stove with fire. However, I've always wanted to make mine off the stove, that is, with heat but without fire, because I think it's an amazing skill to be able to cook something without fire. I've seen a couple of people do it and do it perfectly, but anytime I would try, I never really got it right. I would have to take it back to the stove. So my aunt came a few days ago and she usually makes her pap off the fire, and I saw how she made it and I think I know how to make it now. Put 2 full tablespoons of the fermented pap in your bowl. Add a little bit of water and crush any lumps so that the mixture is smooth. Then pour boiling hot water into your pap mixture until the color turns deeper. Emphasis on boiling hot water, not just hot, but boiling hot. Stop pouring the water immediately the pap color turns deeper and then stir vigorously. And voila, there you have it, pap made off the stove. You can now add your milk and enjoy. For a more detailed tutorial on the process of how to make the raw pap itself, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.